Welcome to Crucial Minds. In this video, we will explore some mind-twisting multiple-choice questions about ISRO. Let's get started. Question number 1. Who was the founder of ISRO? Vikram Sarabhai.
Explanation: Dr. Vikram Sarabhai founded the Indian Space Research Organisation and is considered the father of India's space program.
Question number 2. In which year was ISRO established? 1969.
Explanation: ISRO was formed on August 15, 1969 and superseded in COSPER with an expanded role to harness space technology.
Question number 3. Which was India's first satellite built by ISRO? Aryabhata.
Explanation: Aryabhata was India's first satellite, named after the famous Indian astronomer.
Question number 4. When was India's first satellite Aryabhata launched? 1975.
Explanation: Aryabhata was launched on April 19, 1975 from Kapustin Yar, a Soviet rocket launch and development site in Astrakhan Oblast using a Cosmos 3M launch vehicle.
Question number 5. Which was India's first successful indigenous satellite launch vehicle? PSLV-3.
Explanation: India's first successful indigenous satellite launch vehicle was the PSLV-3, which successfully launched the Rohini satellite into orbit on July 18, 1980, from Sriharikota range.
Question number 6. Which mission made India the first Asian country to reach Mars orbit? Mangalyaan.
Mangalyaan, also known as the Mars Orbiter Mission (MOM), is a space probe that orbits Mars. It was launched by the Indian Space Research Organisation in 2013.
Question number 7. Which ISRO satellite is responsible for the weather forecast? INSAT.
Explanation: ISRO satellites, specifically the INSAT series, play a crucial role in weather forecasting and related services in India, with INSAT 3D and INSAT 3DS being key players.
Question number 8. When did India successfully launch its first lunar mission Chandrayaan-1? 2008.
Explanation: Chandrayaan-1, India's first mission to the Moon, was launched successfully on October 22, 2008, from SDSC Shar, Sriharikota.
Question number 9. Which rocket launched Chandrayaan-1? PSLV C-11.
Explanation: The PSLV C-11 rocket launched Chandrayaan-1 on October 22, 2008. The PSLV C-11 is an 11th variant of the PSLV rocket, which is one of the most reliable launchers in the world.
Question number 10. What does PSLV stands for? Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle.
Explanation: Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV, is an expendable medium-lift launch vehicle designed and operated by the ISRO. It is the first Indian launch vehicle to be equipped with liquid stages.
Question number 11. Which is the heaviest satellite ever launched by ISRO? GS-80-11.
Explanation: The heaviest satellite ever launched by ISRO is GS-80-11, weighing approximately 5,854 kilograms, launched on December 5, 2018, from the Kourou spaceport in French Guiana.
Question number 12. Who was the first Indian astronaut to travel to space? Rakesh Sharma.
Explanation: Rakesh Sharma is famous for being the first Indian citizen to travel to space. He flew on the Soyuz T-11 spacecraft in 1984 as part of the Soviet Interkosmos program.
Question number 13. Which PSLV mission set a record by launching 104 satellites in one go? PSLV C-37.
Explanation: ISRO has launched a record-breaking 104 satellites in a single mission using the PSLV C-37 rocket, a feat achieved on February 15, 2017.
Question number 14. Which ISRO mission marked its 100th satellite launch? GSLV F-15.
Explanation: ISRO successfully launched their GSLV F-15 carrying the NVS-02 at Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh, marking its 100th mission on February 2, 2025.
Question number 15. Which ISRO launch vehicle is known as the workhorse? PSLV.
Explanation: PSLV earned its title, the workhorse of ISRO, by consistently delivering various satellites to low Earth orbits. It can take up to 1,750 kilograms of payload to sun-synchronous polar orbits of 600 kilometers altitude.
Question number 16. Which Indian satellite was developed for studying the Sun? Adifir L1.
Explanation: the Adifir L1 mission is the ISRO's first mission to study the Sun. The mission was launched on September 2, 2023 and successfully reached its orbit around the Sun-Earth L1 point on January 6, 2024.
Question number 17. How many stages does the PSLV rocket have? 4.
Explanation: the standard PSLV configuration includes 6 strap-on boosters that have 4 stages: PS1, PS2, PS3, PS4.
Question number 18. Which ISRO satellite provides high-resolution images for urban and rural planning? Cartosat.
Explanation: Cartosat-3 is the most advanced Earth observation satellite ever built by ISRO to provide high-resolution images for urban and rural planning.
Question number 19. What does GSLV stand for? Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle.
Explanation: GSLV is a space launch vehicle designed, developed, and operated by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, to launch satellites and other space objects into geosynchronous transfer orbits.
Question number 20. What is the name of ISRO's human spaceflight mission? Gaganyaan.
Explanation: the Gaganyaan mission is India's first human spaceflight program being developed by ISRO. The mission aims to send a crew of up to 3 people into space and back safely.
Question number 21. What is the name of ISRO's mission to explore asteroids? Ramses mission.
Explanation: the ISRO and the European Space Agency, ESA, are going to work together on the Ramses project, which will focus on the asteroid Apophis, which is going to pass close to Earth in 2029.
Question number 22. What is the primary purpose of ISRO's RISAT series now? Military surveillance.
Explanation: initially, the RISAT series was used for Earth observation. Later, after the 2008 Mumbai attacks, the satellite was used for border surveillance, to deter insurgent infiltration, and for anti-terrorist operations.
Question number 23. Which rocket marked ISRO's 100th mission? GSLV F-15.
Explanation: the ISRO's 100th launch was on January 29, 2025. The launch was of the NVS-02 satellite using the GSLV F-15 rocket. The launch took place from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota.
Question number 24. Which satellite helped India detect water molecules on the Moon? Chandrayaan-1.
Explanation: Chandrayaan-1 was India's first mission to the Moon. It was launched on October 22, 2008, and orbited the Moon at a height of 100 kilometers. The mission was a major boost to India's space program.
Question number 25. Which lunar mission is first to achieve the soft landing on the Moon's south pole? Chandrayaan-3.
Explanation: Chandrayaan-3 is a lunar exploration mission by the ISRO. It was launched on July 14, 2023, and landed successfully near the lunar south pole on August 23, 2023.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.